Hello, my name is Lucas Elliott. Welcome back to Easy Fixins. Today for episode 2, we will be preparing some salmon, rice, and broccoli. For today's materials, you are going to be needing a baking sheet, an instant pot. First here, we're going to be making some rice. So I have my basmati rice here, and I'm going to be taking 1 cup of this and 2 cups of water. And then literally, you just take the lid, put it on, press rice. That's it. Yeah. Now, before we prepare our salmon, I am going to wash my hands, just because, you know, when you're dealing with any type of food preparation, you don't want to be dealing with any kinds of germs or unknown inhabitants of your hands in the preparation of your food. Right? So I have these 2 pieces of salmon here. I'm just going to cut open and get all the juice out first. Salmon juice. And then we're just going to be putting... Okay, there's more juice. Right, we're just going to be putting these pieces of salmon onto a baking tray. Here, there's 1. Oh, look at that juicy bar right there. And there's 2. Next, we're going to chop up this broccoli. Now that we have all this broccoli cut up here, we're going to just be taking it and putting it on the tray around the salmon, because we're just going to bake that all together for one good time. Just get the little sprinkle bits. So now we have our tray. Right, so we have some olive oil here, so I'm just going to drizzle that on a little bit everywhere. Get that on the broccoli. Get that on the salmon. Just get that everywhere. And just mix that all around a bit. Get it all drizzled up. We gotta preheat our oven to 350. Get that going. Now we're gonna set it to bake for 12 minutes. And yeah, we'll see how that goes. The rice is done. Make sure to flake it a little bit and see if it's cooked through all the way. So we can see there that it's a nice even coloring. So now we're ready to plate. And there's your easy salmon broccoli rice bowl. I hope you enjoyed today's episode of Easy Fixins.